Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue when attempting to run the Windows installer, and it's error 0x8007002c-0x4001e. The installation failed in the second boot phase. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to close out of that installer, just get back into a normal Windows environment, and then open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Right-click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now I'm going to have several commands in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy the first one, and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right-click on it, select Edit, and paste that in. Hit Enter on your keyboard. And then you're going to run the next command. There's going to be 4 total commands, so go ahead and just run each one of them. And then once that's done, attempt to run the installation media once again, and then you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.